I wanted to share a little bit with you guys what kind of training, but how to get over like negative thoughts, negative feelings, when you don't feel like doing something. For me, especially, or for you guys, if you're a high achiever, you're trying to achieve something great in your business, trying to build a big company, scale and grow, you ain't always gonna feel positive, man. That negativity is gonna creep in. Sometimes you're gonna get depressed, you're gonna get overwhelmed. It happens. And the reality of it is this ain't a Nike shirt. A lot of people are like, oh, you're just not committed, or you don't want it bad enough. These stupid things that I see influencers say, stuff that you would tell an athlete or a kid. This ain't a Nike shirt, man. This is real life. You're a human being. I know better than anybody. What I tend to do when I'm feeling negative, or I don't feel like doing it, or depressed, or down on myself, man, I look at what my goals are. I'm trying to build a $50 billion company. I'm not talking about goals that I can achieve. I'm talking about what is my purpose in life for me. You get to choose it. I don't know what yours is. I want to build a $50 billion real estate company because I want to know if I can. That excites me. I want to have over 100,000 investors at Bell Capital. That excites me. I want to have the best marriage, be the best dad, granddad, great granddad that I can. That excites me, man. I want to be healthy. I want to live to be 102 years old. I don't want to be old and decrepit and beat up. Like right now, I tore a ligament in my knee and I'm walking because I'm like, this is what I can do. This is how I get over being depressed, how I get over doubting myself, how you get over like negative thoughts. Get back to your goals, get back to your purpose in life. Whatever that is, man. Don't think you're not committed. Don't think you suck. Don't think, people coming down on you, or give a shit what somebody's gonna think about you when you don't feel like doing it. You're human. Give yourself that space. Don't invalidate yourself. If anybody's gonna lift you up, man, it's gotta be you, people around you, people that care about you. But number one thing, go back to your goals, man. Your goals, not your targets. Targets have a date. Goals are purposes in life, why you breathe. And it can't be for somebody else. Yes, my goals have to do with my family, but my goals are mine, man. I don't know what Sharon wants. I don't know what Max, Leo, Marquise wants. I don't know what Keisha, Tasha, Aaron wants. That's them. You gotta have your own. That's how you have to lift yourself up. And if you ain't gonna do that and you're gonna get trapped watching people on social media, gurus on Instagram that are really talking to sound good, motivational speeches. Motivational speeches don't do shit. Those guys like David Goggins that everybody likes to watch, it's fun to watch him achieve, listen to what he tells himself. But if you have to tear yourself down to build yourself up, man, that's rough. How long can you do that? That also means you're gonna talk to other people like that. And I'd rather I'm hard on myself. I'll push myself. I'll be like, come on, man, you got this shit. That's not tearing me down, that's lifting me up. Your goals have to lift you up. So when you don't feel like doing it, you're depressed, you have these negative thoughts creep in, man, get after it. Grab a sheet of paper, use your phone. What are your big goals? Sometimes your goals are not even gonna be something you can tell other people, because they won't get it. You can tell me. I'm here for you. But that's what I do. I go back to my goals, man. What inspires me? Money inspires me, success inspires me, wealth inspires me, health inspires me. People who are doing big things, they inspire me because that's what I want for my life. And you gotta want it for yours. I'm telling you, man, that cures all mental sicknesses, because being depressed, that's self-inflicted. It's not clinical. Somebody tells you you're depressed, you will be. Somebody tells you you're sick, you will be. If you tell yourself you're sick, you will be. If you give yourself that self-diagnosis, you'll have it. So here's what I'm telling you. You're human. You're okay. You're a badass. You're a spiritual being that cannot be crushed. But all spirits have to have somewhere to push that energy. And I'd rather you push it into big goals. If I can help you hit them, let's do it. If you want to be a part of what we're doing at Bell Capital, man, I'm here with you. Because that's big enough for all of us to win. That's why I do it. But I wanted to share this. think people need it. Hopefully this helps someone tonight, because it always helps me. And that's another thing too. When I'm depressed, when I'm down on myself, I go find people to help. Sometimes, man, it's easier to help other people than help yourself. And the moment you take the energy off of you and give it to someone else, you always feel better. I've never regretted helping somebody, and you shouldn't either. So, write your goals down, find somebody to help, get back to doing what you are created to do here. Any way we can help, we're here for you. You guys have a great night tonight. Let's roll. Boom.